putting in a deadbolt. This lock is about 10 years old, and I just wanted to replace it. So I got a Kwikset double cylinder deadbolt, and it's a keyed entry on both sides. So first you want to unscrew your old deadbolt. Now this door is a 4-light wood door with 4 glass panels on it. Now this is everything that you get. Now this part, it says up, and you want the up part, obviously up. And then you fit that little part in. And the 2 screws you put in here are really long. And this part, you want that little piece facing inside. Now this, you push in that to get that shape to fit in. Now this part's a little tricky, but you just play around and you get it to fit in. I think when you have that up, it works better. Match up the holes to screw it in. Now this part, try and unscrew it and get in the new part. But sometimes these don't always fit properly, so you might have to chisel some of the wood out. Or sometimes you have to flatten the piece. And this will happen where it just won't take. So what I did is I just replaced the old one back in. This is Greta. She was helping me. Now mine, it was sticking a little bit, so I sprayed a little WD-40 into it. You can even spray it right on the piece right there, the lock. And inside the keyhole. Just a little. There it is. It's all done. It's very easy to do.